In a small town, a quiet barista discovers that tiny challenges add up to real growth. She starts taking microadventures like a sunrise walk to a new street cafe and a daily 10-minute learning boost. Each small risk rewires her mindset, turning hesitation into curiosity and making ordinary days feel like experiments. Friends notice her energy shifting and ask what changed, and she shares a simple habit tracking map that highlights progress. Motivation follows consistency as she stacks wins, proving that growth comes from steady, intentional steps rather than grand gestures.